What up, fam? Welcome back to Toys Food Chronicles. We are continuing the Grills and Smokers Wonderful Fest, and we are going to continue talking about pellet smokers. So this is the second installment. We're talking about pellet smokers. So with pellet smokers, let's take a look at what we're going to see. And so to me, I'm going to start out with what I believe is one of the best pellet smokers out there, one that I personally want, have a desire for. It is the Traeger Pro Series 34 electric wood pellet grill and smoker. I love that bronze look that it has, and it is amazing. I love some of the technologies that they put with their pellet smoker too. To never use gas or charcoal again. Cooking with wood just tastes better. Traeger created the original wood pellet grill as the ultimate way to achieve wood-fired taste. Versatile barbecue cooking, hot and fast or low and slow. The Traeger Pro Series 34 pellet grill offers 6-in-1 versatility to grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue food to juicy perfection. Juicy perfection. Anyway, they have precision temperature control. The Digital Pro controller rocks advanced grilling logic, which maintains plus minus 15 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control to guarantee precision grilling. Now, sturdy and durable, powerful steel construction and durable power coat finish, easy to clean porcelain grill grates and all-terrain wheels. Large cooking capacity at 884 square inches of cooking capacity that can accommodate 8 whole chickens, 7 racks of ribs or 40 burgers. So this is a really good backyard, family reunion, people in the park type of cooker, and it gets the job done, as it said, if you want to do that low and slow, or if you want to do that right on the money. On to our next cooker. Our next pellet grill is very simple. It's the Pitboss PBV3P1 vertical pellet smoker. And its look is copper. It's $400 at the time of recording this video. Really, really nice. I like it a lot. It's really cool. We'll monitor internal temperatures with the digital LED readout and meat probe. It has 4 porcelain coated cooking grids, 901 square inches, includes porcelain coated water and heat deflector. Oh yes, that's so awesome. 40 plus pounds of hopper capacity with pellet purge, 24 plus hours of use. Now it is fully programmable, 150 to 450 temperature range. It does have an auto start at 300 watt igniter with auto shut off as well. So if you want to set it and forget it, come back a little bit later. Anyway, it doesn't matter. If you want to set it and forget it, you can do that. If you want to have it timed and then shut off when it's done, so you can go and do whatever it is that you need to do whilst this thing is heating up and cooking. I like to be personally more involved with my cooking, but I do like the idea of this if I want some good barbecue and I can't be around. And then we have the Even Embers SMK 0028 ASO pellet smoker, and it comes in black. Some of these get a little bit into that electric territory, but it's a wood pellet smoker. So when we go to the electric ones, just know that that's a separate category for a reason. So with this one, the Even Embers pellet smoker and grill feature 742 square inches. That's pretty good of grilling space, ensuring plenty of room for even the largest cuts of meat. Precise digital LCD controller and 10-pound wood pellet hopper for fuel generates. Consistency, generous for fuel. It does generate consistency of cooking with delicious smoky flavor. It has a black hammer tone, a powder coat finish, 7.0 millimeter porcelain coated steel cooking grates, handy grease bucket makes it easy and quick to do cleanup and care for your grill inside and out. Awesome, love it. And as you can see, it has a wire, therefore it plugs in as well. It's pretty good. This is the ZGrills wood pellet grill smoker with 2020 newest digital controls. So it has digital controls as well. 700 cooking area, 8-in-1 grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, sear, char, grill, and barbecue for outdoors. This thing is pretty cool, pretty self-explanatory. At the time of recording this video, it is $598. So basically a $600 buy. It looks really nice to me. I like the finish. I like that copper look to it. I personally like this one. I think it's nice. Last but not least, in the Pellet Grill series, I've seen a lot of this brand in a lot of different price ranges, but this brand is called the Monument Grills 89679 bronze powder coated steel wood pellet grill and smoker with a 572 square inch cooking space and manual controls. 572 square inch. So this is just for your home. It is a pellet grill. It has new what they call pellet grill technology. The right amounts of smokiness can lend to a diabolic richness to food that can transform a hunk of flesh into a transcendent repast. And then it has a large cooking area at 572 square feet of cooking area, offers plenty of grilling space, 408 square inches of primary cooking area, and 164 square inches of warming rack area. So you got your cooking area and your warming rack area. To me, it's kind of small, so this is definitely for in my mind, what I would utilize to just cook for the family if I was getting something like this. It is $279 to me. As far as the pellet grill world is concerned, I would take this as a beginner pellet grill and kind of a starter, and just if you want to get practice cooking with a pellet grill and just have one and it's affordable, then this is a good pellet grill for that. It does have an automated electric feed, which is really cool, and it has versatile barbecue cooking, ultimate barbecue cooking, hot and fast, low or slow. So you can do, once again, that hot and fast, low and slow. Monument Pellet Grill offers 6-in-1 versatility to grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue. And then it also has precision temperature control. And that's something that I think is personally really good. I like to be hands-on with that, so I'm definitely an offset smoker guy. I want to, push the wood in there. I want to make sure and maintain the temperature. I want to open and close it, and I like, maintaining temperature on my own to know that I made something with love personally. But I also like the idea of knowing that I'm not going to mess up an expensive piece of meat because I wanted to be a little bit lazy that day. And so this, I would say, would lend to that. We have reached the end of this portion. Going into the next video into this series, I thank you guys. Continue watching. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, click the notification bell, share, leave a comment. Which one of the pellet grills, if you were to get one, would you be getting, and what do you like about these different pellet grills? Let me know in the comments. You guys are wonderful. Once again, do not love to be loved, love to love.